Have you ever looked into your fully stocked refrigerator or pantry and still been just completely baffled on what to make for dinner? Well, here's your easy solution. Hi everyone, it's Jordan, your independent Pampered Chef consultant, and today I want to talk to you about why you should consider getting a subscription to TasteBuds. Are you asking yourself, what the heck is TasteBuds? Well, let me tell you. TasteBuds is the subscription service from Pampered Chef, where once a month you're gonna get a package delivered straight to your door, and it's gonna have 3 surprise seasonings in it. So this is what the packets look like. Sometimes there are exclusive seasonings that are only available to TasteBuds subscribers and are not available for purchase from just regular Pampered Chef customers. So each one of these packages is about 1.8 ounces. And just for reference, here's one of our popular spices. This is the Greek rub, and this is a bottle of 1.5 ounces. So you can see this is a pretty good value. So there's enough in each one of these packages for 2 to 4 meals, and at 4 to 6 servings per meal, that's a whole lot of spice. So also in the TasteBuds package that you're going to receive, you're also gonna get 3 recipe cards to go along with the spices that come. But another benefit of being a TasteBuds subscriber is that you get access to the TasteBuds Hub. So over in the Hub, you can log into your account and you can see more ways to use the spice and seasonings that come in your subscription. So there's going to be multiple recipes and other tasty ideas on using those seasonings, as well as you can download and print out shopping lists to go along with the recommended recipes. So it's broken down by the recipe that comes along the kit in your cards. And also, if you happen to misplace one of your recipe cards, you can go in and download and print out those recipe cards as well. So also over in the Hub, you can see what other people are making with the seasonings that came in that month's subscription, and also go ahead and share what you're making too to inspire other people. As soon as you subscribe to TasteBuds, you can log into the Hub and you can go back to the very beginning of TasteBuds to see all of the recipes that are recommended in there. So how do the TasteBuds subscription work? So once a month, like I said, you're gonna get your delivery straight to your door. And there are 3 different ways that you can purchase a subscription. The first way is month to month. So it's gonna be $24 a month, and you'll get your 3 spices delivered. If you'd like to save a little bit, there's the 3-month and 6-month prepaid options. So the 3-month subscription ends up coming out to $20 a month, and it's a $60 total payment. And the 6-month comes out to $18 a month. So that's a total of $108 prepaid. So that's gonna save you some money in the long run. And in each one of those cases, the subscription is gonna include free shipping, and it will auto renew based on whatever it is that you purchase. So if you're purchasing the month to month, it'll auto renew every month. 3 months, 6 months, it'll renew at those time intervals as well. So you can skip your subscription or cancel it anytime. And yeah, that free shipping is one of the things that I really love about it the most. I hate paying for shipping. And so we've got something really exciting coming out for this fall for subscription members. So for TasteBuds, as well as the Enrichable subscription, Pampered Chef is starting a new add-on marketplace. So if you're an active subscriber to either TasteBuds or Enrichables, you'll have access to this add-on marketplace. And what that means is that before your next shipment is sent out to you, you'll have a chance to log in to the add-on marketplace and add a few products to your subscription. So there's going to be about 15 to 20 products that are going to be available in the add-on market, including some of the seasonings that have been featured in TasteBuds, and there's also going to be some products from Pampered Chef, the Pampered Chef kitchen tools that you'll be able to add on to your order when it ships with your subscription, which means that you get to save on free shipping for those items too. So I know sometimes, like, I love the Pampered Chef seasonings. And sometimes if I want an $8 jar of seasoning, I don't want to spend $8 on shipping. So I'm really excited about the add-on marketplace. So that is going to be starting in September of 2021. You'll be able to enjoy the add-on marketplace as long as you are a current subscriber. So go ahead and get your subscription started now. I'd be so happy to help you do that, and I look forward to seeing what you make up with your new seasonings that are included in the TasteBuds subscription. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel while you're at it, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!